Hello good people, this is Tanya welcoming on the channel CineVibeReaction. So today your girl is going to react on an upcoming film teaser. It's Vishwanath and the song. So without further ado, let's just enjoy the video first. And Suriya fans, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe our channel and watch more such videos.
సంజయ్ విశ్వనాథ్ గతంలో ఎన్నో పిస్టల్ కాంపిటీషన్స్ లో గెలిచారు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు వేరు. కంటి చూపుకి 20లో ఉన్న ఫిట్నెస్ 40 దాటాక ఉండదు. This is Maddie.
ఒక పెద్ద ఫామ్ హౌస్, లావిష్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్, ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు ఖర్చు పెట్టాలి.
మనం గొప్ప అనుకున్న ప్రతిసారి మనకన్నా గొప్ప ఒకడు ఉంటాడని దేవుడు గుర్తు చేస్తాడు.
నాకేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
నాకు ప్రాబ్లం. అమ్మా
ఏంటది? ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చావురా దీన్ని? లవ్వా?
తర్వాత ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంటుంది. నాకన్నా ఇలా ఏళ్ళు చిన్నది.
నాకు ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
నాకు ప్రాబ్లం.
ప్లీజ్
నువ్వు ఒక్క చిటికేస్తే నీ వయసు అబ్బాయిలు చాలా మంది ఇలా వచ్చి పడిపోతారు.
కావాలంటే ఇంకో 4 చిటికలేస్తా. నువ్వు పడు చాలు.
What a beautiful teaser. I mean, it was so soothing to watch the chemistry of Suriya and Mamitha. I mean, I enjoyed that how the teaser so beautifully, decently just handled the age gap romance. I literally enjoyed it. I mean, Suriya is a very handsome, very moody type person. On the contrary, Mamitha was such a bubbly cutie pie. I really loved the story, and I would say what a fantastic directorial by Venky Atluri. So, and yes, one thing that just attracted me the most all through the teaser was Prakash Kumar sir's BGM. It was so soothing to watch. I just enjoyed it so much. But one thing that just hits me was I think the teaser ends with a cliff changer note when Suriya was just holding a toddler. I mean, I'm a little bit confused that is he a single parent or it's after he gets married to Mamitha? I'm really confused. What do you think? Don't forget to share with me in the comment section that what you feel about the toddler in this teaser. So I would love to know your opinion as well. So since it's arriving on July, I'm just waiting to see this romantic side of Suriya and how just Mamitha adds to it with her natural charm. So I just hope that all the cast and crew get immense support from all the movie lovers, and all the best to all the cast and crew from CineVibeReaction family. And I'm just hoping that the trailer comes with a great punch storyline, and I just hope the storyline just uplifts with the fans expectation. So all the best. And what's your thought about this film's teaser? Let me know in the comment section, and don't just go away without giving this video a like, share and subscribe our channel. Let me tell you, we are very close to 30k, so why don't you just help us to reach 30k and above more. So that's pretty much it. Till next video, stay safe, stay tuned with just like that, and keep sharing your love on me. Thank you.